Welcome back. State government has challenged the trial court's judgment in Sameer Mapari murder case before the High Court. State claims that the trial court had misinterpreted the evidence and depositions. The trial court had acquitted all the three accused, stating lack of evidence in proving deceased Sameer Mapari's identity.
State government on Wednesday challenged the judgment of the trial court in Sameer Mapari murder case before the High Court. Trial court had acquitted accused Rajesh Desai, Balesh Desai and Vinay Desai. The state prosecution in its petition filed before the High Court has contended that the trial court has misinterpreted the evidences and depositions. On 8 August 2007, a decomposed body was found from Zuari River at Shiroda. Sameer Mapari's family identified the body as of Sameer's body. Goa police arrested and later charge-sheeted Rajesh Desai, Balesh Desai and Vinay Desai for killing Sameer Mapari. But Additional Sessions Court Madgaon, in its judgment dated 20th February, acquitted all three accused, saying that prosecution failed to prove that the body was of Sameer Mapari. The High Court, while accepting state government's appeal, had adjourned the matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Admission is open in the first ever agriculture school in the state. Ramnath Krishna Pai Raikar Education Society has opened School of Agriculture to give a commercial touch to farming activity in the state. The school will conduct higher secondary courses under vocational education program. Horticulture, floriculture and computer technique courses are offered and will begin from June 2013. The criteria for admission to the higher secondary school courses is 10th pass and the duration is 2 years. 25 students will be admitted in the first batch.
School will open the second Monday. It will be 11th. So in the government jobs, if you want to join as field assistant or agricultural assistant, this is the qualification which is required, 12th pass. Then you can become a floriculture specialist in the field of horticulture, especially in the vegetable growing, in the fruits, or also in the floral. Then you could start a nursery. Because everybody is today, if you see, most of the corporates are entering in this field. So they are looking for qualified and trained manpower, and they don't get it. So these are the people who could be available to them.
A mischievous racing stunt by some youth injured a couple travelling on Para-Saligaon route. One youth banged a motorbike, leaving the rider with severe leg fractures. The bike rider did not have a registered number plate on the motorbike. People have asked police to initiate strict action on youth endangering lives of people on the road.
Every Saturday, Sunday, Saligaon Burge, Mapsa, Kalangut, Anjuna, and Izai Kodele Burge inga yatani Poisha Lagun inga race ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ 15,000, 10,000 all. And this guy has been watching them for a very long time, and he was very keen to catch them red-handed, but there was no support from the police as we expected from last 2 months. A boy from 18, I believe, and the girl was 19. They were coming back from work, and these two innocent people, these people have claimed half of their life. They were terribly injured.
आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा, खास करून पुलिशे कडेन आतां एक माझी रिक्वेस्ट आसा. हांगासर व्हडल्यांतलो व्हडलो अपघात जाल्लो आसा, तातूंतलो एकलो हांगासर मेळ्ळो आसा, बाकीचे फरार आसा. पुलिसांक एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा, बाकीचे आसा तांकां धरचे आनी जाता पळय ती तांकां सजा दिवची, केस दिवची. कारण दोग जाणांनी एकल्यांनी पांय एकल्यांचे भेण गेल्ले आसात. पुलिसांक हांव सदांच फोन करता, 100 नंबर केन्ना लागच ना. हें तुमी नोट करचें. आनी कांय लोकांनी फोन ह्या पयलीं नंबरूय दिल्लो आसा. ही रेस जावच्या पयलीं नंबर दिल्लो आसा पुलिसांक, आनी कांय कारणा खातीर पुलीस लेट येयल्ले आसा, आनी तेजो परिणाम तुमी पळयल्लो आसा. खास करून हे पळय, दुसरी क्रायम, मेजर क्रायम इन गोवा म्हाका दिसता नंबर प्लेट तेची खंय आसा. नंबर प्लेट गाडयेची खंय आसा हें हांव कोणाक विचारूंक सोदता, जनतेक विचारूंक सोदता.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.